My light and fluffy whipped cheesecake with pistachio crust. To start, I'm gonna make my pistachio crust. I have some roasted pistachios here. It's always important to use toasted or roasted nuts for this because that'll bring out their flavor. And I'm gonna add a cup of them to my food processor. I'm gonna grab a 1/4 cup of sugar, a pinch of kosher salt to bring out these flavors. Now, I'll blend this until they form a coarse crumb. I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of butter, and that's just to hold this mixture together. Oh yeah, that's good. That's perfect. The crust is not too sweet, it's nice and rich and nutty, and now I'm gonna add it to my serving glasses. I'm eyeballing this so that they're even. Now I'm gonna pack this mixture down with a muddler. This filling is fluffy and mousse-like, and it comes together so easily. I'll grab some yogurt and heavy cream out of my fridge. I also have some cream cheese softening here. I'll take 1/2 block of that. And I'm gonna mix this with some powdered sugar. And this filling is not too sweet, it's great. And next I'll add a pinch of salt to bring out these flavors. Some vanilla, I love vanilla. And almond extract, which actually really enhances the pistachio flavor in the crust. Next I'll add 1/2 cup of yogurt. It's giving me that tangy deliciousness that I cannot get enough of. And I'll mix this to combine. Okay, and next I'm gonna add 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. So that's another easy thing about this recipe. It's 1/2 cup of cream cheese, 1/2 cup of yogurt, and 1/2 cup of heavy cream. And now I'm gonna mix this to stiff peaks. That'll take a little bit longer, closer to a minute. Now I'm gonna put it into a piping bag, and I'm gonna use that to put it into my serving glasses. Okay, they're looking so fluffy and good. Now these are gonna set in the fridge for about an hour. While my cheesecake's finished chilling, I'm gonna add some brightness and fruitiness to the top with the quick and easy raspberry topping. And I'm gonna jazz them up a little bit with some lemon juice, which will add nice tartness and dimension. Okay, I'm gonna add some sugar to my berries and mix them up and allow them to macerate. All that means is they're gonna release their juices and create a syrup, and they're gonna marinate in that syrup, and the flavor is just gonna get amplified and delicious. I'm gonna jumpstart this juice releasing party by mashing a few of the berries. They're bright and glossy, and now I'm gonna add them to the top of my cheesecakes. And I'll just spoon a nice healthy spoonful of raspberries over the top of the cheesecakes. I love the contrast of color between the white cheesecake and that bright red raspberry syrup and the green pistachios. These are so pretty.